In today's video, I will walk you through how to change beginning balance in QuickBooks. To begin, tap the link in the description to create your account. Open your account, find and select the gear icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online. From the menu that appears, select Chart of Accounts. Once the chart of accounts is open, locate the specific asset account where you want to change the beginning balance. Next, look for View Register next to that account and select it. This opens the account register, where you'll see the transactions associated with that account. With the register open in table mode, review the transactions listed. Locate the initial transaction, or amount that represents the beginning balance for the account. The beginning balance amount will be highlighted. Select it to open the field where you can make changes. Enter the correct amount for the beginning balance. Once you've entered the updated amount, review the value to make sure it reflects the beginning balance you want to use. Then save your changes. The register will update to reflect the new beginning balance. The updated amount will appear in the account register. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.